Hey everyone, it's Hoochie from Nagios. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use and configure dashboards in Nagios XI. Dashboards are a customizable feature in XI that allows users to access and visualize monitoring information. Each user can create their own unique dashboards tailored to their specific needs. Dashboards are composed of dashlets, which are containers used to display various types of information. And with that said, let's get into it. When you first log into XI, you'll be presented with the Home Dashboard. The Home Dashboard contains a variety of useful links, such as a host and service status summary, a few ways to get started, administrative tasks, and popular configuration wizards. You can also create your own custom dashboards by clicking on the dashboards icon and clicking on New Dashboard. Now give your dashboard a title and adjust the background color if desired and hit Submit. At first, the dashboard will be empty. To customize your dashboard, click on Available Dashlets, then choose a dashlet of your liking and click on the Add This to a Dashboard icon. Choose a title for the dashlet and select which dashboard you want to add the dashlet to and click Add It. A cool fact is that anything inside XI with the Add This to a Dashboard icon can be added to dashboards, including things like reports and graphs. Now let's take a look at the dashboard that we just created. You can move the dashlets around so it's organized the way you like. The dashlets can be pinned so that it doesn't move if you accidentally grab it. You can also scale the dashlets up or down so it can work for any layout that you want. If the dashlet isn't what you want, you can delete it. If you want to clone, edit, export, import, or delete any of your dashboards, you can do that in the Manage My Dashboards page. You can also deploy dashboards to other users if you're an admin. Simply click on Deploy Dashboards and select the dashboards you want to deploy to users. If you want the dashboard to update for the user whenever you make changes to it, check the Keep Synced box. Once everything looks good, click on the Deploy Dashboards button. Now, the selected users will have the dashboards you deployed in their XI session. And there you go. Now you know a little bit more about dashboards in Nagios XI. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. For any questions or additional assistance, visit support.nagios.com. And until next time, take care and keep monitoring.